Characteristics. Arthropods are protostomes because their mouth formed from a bass spore during embryonic development. Their body cavity is a column, and they have a bilateral body symmetry. They are traditionally known as poikilotherms in terms of controlling their body temperature, since it is dependent on the ambient temperature. Their body is segmented, and they have multiple appendages, such as antennae and wings, to aid their survival. Arthropods have a chitinous exoskeleton, serving much like a protective armor would.
Movement. Arthropods are able to move because of their segmental appendage. They also have the help of their exoskeleton and muscles. It's very similar to most vertebrates. They are motile all the time except when they are molting or when they shed their exoskeleton.
The Arthropoda phylum has a variety of respiratory system types. Aquatic species like crustaceans possess gills, while terrestrial arthropods have tracheal tubes and book lungs. Other species may only have book lungs.
Circulation. Arthropods have an open circulatory system. This means that hemolymph, or blood, flows within body cavities, making direct contact with organs and tissues via lacunas, or cavities. All arthropods have a one-chambered heart, but not all have respiratory pigments. They do not have a wide vascular system, but they do use simple diffusion.
Excretion. Undigested food becomes solid food waste that leaves the anus. Testural ones get rid of nitrogen compounds by using Malpighian tubules, and eventually it leaves the anus. Aquatic arthropods actually eliminate their nitrogen compounds from an opening in their head.
The Arthropoda phylum, being the biggest, contains most, if not all, feeding modes. This includes herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, detritus feeders, filter feeders, and even parasites. Arthropods will usually contain paired appendages specialized to their food source that allows them to move around and grab food.
Reproduction. Arthropods that are terrestrial have internal fertilization, but aquatic may have both internal and external. They reproduce sexually, lay eggs, and exhibit courtship behaviors such as singing.
Response. Arthropods have a very well-developed nervous system that helps them respond to their environment. It contains a pair of ganglia and contains cysts and chemical receptors. There are also sensory receptors that have advanced cephalization.
After reproduction, each infant is held in an egg. These eggs are rich in yolk and will later turn into larvae. Certain arthropods may have the ability for parthenogenesis, viparity, and polyembryony. Larvae can appear similar to the adult form or drastically different. In the differentiated cases, metamorphosis will usually occur.
Major groups and examples. Arthropods are mainly divided into 4 groups: arachnids, myriapods, crustaceans, and insects. The main dividing factors include body regions, pairs of legs, pairs of antennae, and wings. An example of an arachnid includes a scorpion. If a myriapod is a centipede, crustacean includes a crab, and insects include a butterfly.
One specific example of Phylum Arthropoda is the honeybee or the apis. It is very unique. It is actually the only insect that produces food eaten by humans. They even go to 500 to 100 flowers each time they go on a pollen collection trip. Another interesting fact is the male honeybees actually do not have stingers.